Hey, how you doing? This is JJ, owner of Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. I just want to quickly go over some things that go into a interior car detail and why my pricing might be higher than some detailers, but I do the deluxe version of interior cleaning. I go all out. On an average interior detail, I will start out with agitating all of the materials just to loosen debris, sand, dirt, things like that. Things that can drive prices up are things like a lot of pet hair that are embedded into the carpets. Also stains. I'm going to take you into this vehicle here, which happens to be my own. I'm finally kind of getting around to getting my own vehicle. You can see the stains in the seats here. And although they are not excessive, any kind of stains or pet hairs drive prices up because it drives the time up, and therefore it takes time to remove them. I also use a pretty professional grade vacuum. After that, I will use also my compressor. This is my Makita compressor right here, and I'll use a variety of tools and air guns. This uses cleaner and air shooting out of this tubing here, which allows me to get deep into the fibers and into the seats. I will then use steam. This is a McCullough steamer, so this allows me to get right into the materials and effectively clean things. I will pre-treat all of the surfaces. This is my pump sprayer, and I will lay the solution down on all of the appropriate materials. I will do some more agitating. I will come in with a extraction. This is a $6,000 machine, this Edict Endeavor. I've got a high pressure hose that can go to 2,000 PSI, way more powerful than I need, but it is a heavy duty machine. And I also have the vacuum hose here. And so this comes out, and then these two tools allow me to really reach into a lot of different areas. I can extract very thoroughly the dirt, and this crevice tool allows me to get into the tight areas. So these are just some of the things that should be taken into consideration when you go to hire a detailer to do an interior cleaning. This vehicle is going to really pop when I get done here, and it definitely needs it. So I thank you very much. Again, just a slight explanation of some of the things that can go into and why, all of these tools obviously cost a lot of money. There's maintenance in them and repair work. So I just wanted to give a quick explanation. So I thank you very much. If I can be of any help to you, you can find me on YouTube, find me on Instagram, find me on Facebook, find me on Google My Business. And it is Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. My phone number is 727-742-7867. I am located in Bel Air Bluffs, just on the north side of Largo. Thank you very much, and enjoy keeping your vehicles beautiful.